What do you have to say to my friend Azam? There's the bride. Where is she? Monique's awake now. What do you have to say?
Congratulations, Asian. Ini akan dalam kelihatan. I wish you the best. The best, the very best.
Masak Ajeng.
Hi.
Is that the veil?
That is. I steamed it last night. Still looks similar. Tapi kayak babu itu ya, straight ya.
It's a dress. Kelihatan nggak? I'm gonna go eat and get our nails done, girl.
So, boy, kidding.
Bye. Say bye.